If you believe that you get to decide how you're going to respond to a particular situation, in fact, that you are in control of your own emotions in response to any given situation, then you're going to love this next video. If, on the other hand, you think that you don't have control over the way that you respond to a particular situation and that you are victimized by whatever is happening in your life, you might like this video too. So stay tuned because we're going to dive into that. And we're also going to look at what I consider probably one of the most important things whenever we're faced with a challenge, which is, and you can ask yourself this question, am I available for the struggle? So stay tuned. Hey there, I'm Darieth Chisolm. I want to thank you so much for watching this video and for being on my YouTube channel. If you're new, thanks so much for being here. Be sure to subscribe and make a comment below about this very topic. Are you available for the struggle? I have, in these, last couple of years faced probably some of my biggest challenges. And, we go through those periods of time when we look back and we think, could I have done that better? Could I have responded any differently? And I was just sitting here journaling and thinking, I want to do a video, but what do I want to talk about? And for me, this thought around, am I available for a struggle, has just been present. And as I journaled and got clear on my message for you today, I wanted to bring that up and I wanted to pose it in a different way. Not so much that are you available for, because I truly believe we decide what we're available for, but to go deeper into this conversation and look at what it means to really get our own emotions and our own responses to whatever struggle it is that we're facing together, because that is in fact what we do have control over. Circumstances present themselves. So many things in our lives can come up that we have absolutely no control over. But the one thing that we can control is our response to something. And beyond the response is then what we choose to make it mean. And so often when we're faced with something that is a struggle, we then say to ourselves, well, it's a struggle, and so everything about it is going to be a struggle. In fact, I don't anticipate winning this one, or I don't think that this is going to turn out to be successful, so I'm just going to go with the flow and be on the struggle bus. I don't believe that. I think that we all have the ability to decide what we're available for, including the responses to any particular situation. And when we get crystal clear about the fact that you are just not available to struggle around something, the issue might be a struggle, it may be a challenge, it might be something out of your control, but how you respond to it changes everything. So let me give you an example. I could probably give you lots of examples, but I'll probably give you one of the most recent ones. I've been in this thought about a condo that I have in Florida as to whether or not I'm going to make it available for vacation, if I actually just want to keep it and return there occasionally, or if I want to put it on the market. And every time I thought about what to do with it, it felt like such a struggle to even get into decision around it. In fact, I think I was putting up more resistance to making a decision, which then felt like struggle. And finally, I got really clear about what is it that I desire around this? What experience do I want to have? No matter whether I choose to keep it, rent it, sell it, whatever. But when I think about it, how do I want to feel? And up until that point, I had assigned this is a struggle. It's a struggle for me to think about when I feel about it, or when I'm feeling something about it, it makes my stomach hurt and I get tense and I'm worried about it. Those are all struggle emotions. And I had to seriously get with myself and say, no, this could be pleasurable. This could be enjoyable. This could be fun. This could be exciting. If you were to assign anything other than struggle, everything on the other side of it, everything opposite of struggle, what would you choose it to be? And these are questions that I'm asking you to ask yourself about anything. I'm talking about something, tangible, like a decision around selling a condo, but it could be any place in your life, like asking yourselves those really important questions. If I'm going to choose an emotion other than struggle, and it's going to be positive, what is that emotion? How am I going to feel about this particular event? What would make me feel better? How could I feel excited or supported or clear or comfortable? Give yourself the permission to think things other than struggle or hardship. You get to choose. It's all up to you. You get to decide how you want to feel about a particular thing. And the choice around remaining in struggle around anything is yours. I can tell you this, I'm a strong believer in the law of attraction. And so if you've assigned a feeling about struggle to something, what do you think the results are going to be? What do you think it's going to be? Probably more struggle, right? Because we get what we focus on. So I realize I've gone into a couple of different directions here in this conversation, but it just felt important for me to just literally do a video and ask you, are you available for the struggle? And if not, then make a different decision. Choose to feel differently. Find a different emotion that is opposite of struggle and allow yourself to experience that. And while I can't make any guarantees about it, what I do know to be true is at least your experience about that thing that you've given the assignment to is going to be so much better if you choose things like pleasure, enjoyment, ease, flow, excitement, and confirmation around what you want to experience. So I hope this video has been helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave your comments below. Again, if you're new to my YouTube channel or you're new to me, subscribe. You can also sign up for any of my email lists so that I can continue to provide you with updates on videos and very useful information, particularly if you've got a powerful story and you know it's time for you to get that story out into the world. Please sign up for one of my free trainings available for you. Again, thanks so much for watching the video, and I'll see you soon.